told you that they actually did some repairs and they looked decent in the beginning. But this girder that it's attached to is collapsing. I won't swing a pick at it. I'm afraid I'll let the house fall on me.
This is the beauty that you get in real estate shenanigans. We have this house that is sitting in a flood zone here in Casey. Have a contract to assign it to a cash buyer, but we're unable to get into crawl space. And one of their contingencies was to make sure that the structural repair exceed their rehab budget. So we're gonna get in here and literally hook up this hose in a sump pump, pump all this water out of the crawl space, gain access, and get them more of a detailed repair quote. Let's take a look. This is all like good stuff.
I'm curious, would it be advantageous to kick these vents out, at least over here, and try to drop it in if it'll fit?
I would think so.
The only problem that all of this woodland area, there's already animals that have been underneath. So I don't know if it would just be inviting more. That's the risk.
Honestly, at this point, I don't think it could be much more of a lost cause.
Yeah.
I think whatever we got to do to take care of business, let's just do it. So what's going on with it? We got the water on this side.
Yeah, and we already pumped out.
Sump pump is set up. What would you say, about 100 gallons sitting in there that got pumped out?
We know what was probably more than that, but it's already come out. Right here, straight ahead. See that little berm? The back side of that's a swimming pool.
Okay, cool.
And then over here in the center, they had a dig out where they did this HVAC. All of that's floating. Back up here, the steady stream is pumping. Come on. All over here in the center is just completely underwater. I can see it all. Look up here, it's just all along the entire side. It's just leaching its way all the way down.
Jeez. It blows my mind that someone would actually want to take on this amount of risk. Like, what? I would not touch this house, dude.
There's so much. So right here is where I told you that they actually did some repairs and they looked decent in the beginning. But this girder that it's attached to is collapsing. I won't swing a pick at it. I'm afraid I'll let the house fall on me.
Dang.
And it just keeps going.
And just as much water on that side too, huh? Gallons and gallons.
There's more on the other side.
Jeez. Let me go get this thing plugged in, dude. So now we just gotta get this extension cord run through the house. Just give us power on that side. It's been vacant for quite some time. See, they had a rebel kid in there. Dang, that's our problem. We only got 2-prong outlets. 3-prong cord.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, under here is where the Mets made.